Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here from IGOLUMON. And it is a pack of 3 dark gray and 3 different colors of, well, no, actually it's a bunch. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Looks like 7 pairs of underpants. Look at that. So I have this color, black. I think I got 3 that are black. Got a gray one here, another gray one, a blue one, a red one. Which one do you want to see me in? Okay, let's go ahead and try one of these out. Excuse me while I put on my underpants, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm about 190 pounds today and about 5'10", so that'll kind of give you an idea of what this looks like here. And these are my little briefs. Look at that. They fit good. Got a nice feel to them. I kind of like having some of these ones like this. It's good. Got a good package feel. Good feel everywhere. So I'm going to say these are nice. And I'll be wearing these. Hopefully my lady will think I look good in them too. So thumbs up.